cheeseburger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger.
Hey, Rowan, don't you have some big news to tell the fans?
You mean I love cheeseburger? You interrupted me.
No, I mean about the March Madness bracket for our videos.
Oh, yeah, that. Wait a minute. What is this?
It's a bracket for the March Madness competition for our videos.
Oh, yeah. I see numbers. Wait, 12 days of CB? What does that mean?
It means 12 days of cheeseburgers. You know the video for Christmas?
Wait a minute. Wait, it tastes like paper. And it feels like paper, too.
That's because it's just written on paper. It's not a real cheeseburger.
Okay, anyways. So, you get to vote for one of these teams to move on. And you get to do it the next time until we get to the championship. And we'll come back.
And you get to do it for each team, but only... each game.
Each game. And we'll keep on doing it until we get to the championship game. And we'll have a very special halftime there. So we'll see you in a few days at the championship game.
Actually, wait. Not the championship game, but...
We'll
come back with the results every few days.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who do you want to win?